Hey Rosie, how did you go at the Blooms Brisbane today?
It's been wonderful, Jackie. This is the second time I've been and I've thoroughly enjoyed it. Second time round, there's lots of tips that I've picked up. It's wonderful being with other people who are painting, and I've had a pretty good go at this beautiful rose.
Yeah, a cream rose is quite a complex thing, and you've handled this really confidently, I think, and plugged away at it and done an awesome job. So good. So did you, from the outside, it looked like you were more confident. Did you feel more confident this time round?
Much more confident, yes, much more confident. I'd had a go, and I had a go at home as well, and that wasn't always successful, but I've learned a lot along the way, and that's fantastic to come back and do it all again.
Agreed. And I know you're going to be doing more. It's so cool, and along with your busy other things you're doing, and I know that painting will be something that you'll really enjoy. Well done.
Thank you very much.
I love your rose. Well done.
Thank you.